Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Rocher Opider. I'm 34 years old. I'm married and I have two daughters, 14 years old and 5 years old.
Okay. What are your educational background?
I'm a college level, sir.
Do you have experience abroad as a domestic helper?
I had experience in local for 4 years as a domestic helper and as a caregiver for 2 years and 9 months.
Finish contract?
With finished contract, sir.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer?
My duties and responsibilities in my employer for the child is giving
Do you take care of the child?
yes, sir.
What the ages?
5 years old,
Such as?
Feeding, washing clothes and cooking, ironing, and
You clean the house?
yes, sir, I clean the house.
How about the second employer?
My second employer, I had patient, 90 years old female, healthy, and I do ironing, cooking, cleaning the house also, and I taking vital signs and feeding and preparing medicine.
Okay. Can you tell us how you take care of the children, a baby and elderly?
I will take care to serve them healthy food and
Okay. Please tell us some of your skills.
my skills are cooking, and I'm also a caregiver, and I will
Okay. What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
the traits of a domestic helper is hardworking person, honest, God-fearing, and multitasking.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
I will promise to finish my 2 years contract, and God bless and thank you.
Thank you so much.